Nice and loud.
Oh. Come on, England.
That's it.
God save the king. God save the king.
Nes I rioed feddwl fyswn ni'n cyrraedd y pwynt yma. Colli ar penalties a gorfod canu God save the king.
Dwi eisiau gwybod be mae influencers ar-lein yn meddwl am Gymru. Felly nes I wahodd yr hync o Love Island, Luca Bish, sy'n enwog am ei ddanydd mawr gwyn a'i berthynas efo Gemma Owen, i ddod i'n gwlad bach lush ni am ddeuddydd,
a'i daflu mewn I brofiadau fysa newid I agwedd tuag at Gymru.
Falle. Gobeithio.
Your tea's playing boring. Boy, I ain't missed that smell.
Ac I ddangos iddo fo,
Bod ni'n fwy na glo, defaid a rygbi.
How's your experience been?
Ond gadewch I ni fynd o'r dechrau, ie? Wrth I fi chwalu'r myths ma a phrofi unwaith ac am byth bod ni'n fwy na daffs a taffs.
a wneud seren Love Island syrthio mewn cariad hefo Cymru?
Dros y deuddydd nesaf, fyddai'n mynd â fishmonger o Brighton ar antur I ddangos gwir reality Cymru iddo fo ac I chwalu unrhyw ystrydebau mae o'n cysylltu efo'r lle. Mae o'n fan o'r haul, fitties, pêl-droed a danedd shiny a dwi'n benderfynol o ychwanegu Cymru i'r rhestr yna. Wrth gwrs, dwi'n siarad am runner-up Love Island 2022, Luca Bish.
Luca Bish fi, a dwi'n gwerthu pasgod. Mae da fi text, fel na mae he. When you think of Wales, but I do think of it as a small part in England. If I could describe Wales in 3 words, it would be damp, green, and untouched. Untouched because it just looks like it was when Henry VIII was sort of about, probably.
Ar i'r Wythfed?
Gan bod Luca yn fan mawr o bêl-droed a dyn ni digwydd bod mewn adeg rili cyffrous ar hyn o bryd ym myd chwaraeon Cymru, o'n i'n meddwl fys ni'n dod efo I rywle lle maen nhw wedi cael loads o sylw yn ddiweddar, just achos dau seren Hollywood rili enwog. Yep, dyn ni yn Wrexham, baby! Up the town. Dwi ddim yn gwybod lot am bêl-droed, so dwi wedi gofyn I rywun lleol sydd hefyd yn aelod o dîm pêl-droed merched Wrexham I ddangos y gorau'r lle I Luca.
Mae Lily wedi bod yn chwarae pêl-droed ers oedd hi'n 5 mlwydd oed. Yn 12 oed oedd hi'n chwarae dros Everton yna ddaeth hi nôl I dîm merched Wrexham. Mae'n amlwg bod hi'n gwybod I stwff. Ac yn ddiweddar ath Lily I America a chwrdd â Rob McElhenney, felly mae hi kind of yn big deal.
Dwi wedi ffeindio fel local legend, Lily Jones. Diolch, Lily, am gwrdd â fi yn stafelloedd newid Wrexham AFC. Dwi'n gallu aroglu'r hanes a'r socs chwyslyd. Ga'i just say, Lily, ti'n person really impressive. Achos ti di'r aelod ieuanga o'r tîm merched.
Dyma Cris fi.
Ti'n teimlo pan ti'n rhoi'r Cris ymlaen?
Dwi eisiau teimlo'n barod. Dwi'n teimlo'n barod fatha. Dwi eisiau mynd I curo'r gêm a dwi eisiau chwarae i'r badge sy ar y Cris. Does dim llawer o pobl yn gallu uniaethu efo'r teimlad yna. Mae bod o Wrexham a chwarae tîm lleol ti yn deimlad anhygoel.
Pan ti'n meddwl am Gymru, beth sy'n dod I dy feddwl di?
Pêl-droed, rygbi. A Wrexham, really. Wrexham di catra fi. Mae'r pêl-droed jyst di dod ar ryw buzz newydd i'r dre a mae rili yn anhygoel. So. Mae even cerdded lawr y ffordd a'r dysadwn pryd mae'r gêm on, mae pawb yn y dre efo'n gilydd a dyn ni gyd fatha teulu mawr yn barod I fynd I gwylio'r gêm. Mae'r iaith Gymraeg yn fyw yn y dre hefyd o'n, mae pawb yn barod I siarad yr iaith ac yn hapus I siarad yr iaith.
So, wyt ti'n gyfarwydd efo Luca o gwbl? Ti'n gwylio Love Island?
Ynddo, dwi'n fan mawr ar Love Island. Nes I wylio fo ar y teledu, so mae'n kind of big star in my eyes.
Oh, okay.
Pretty cool guy.
Wel, oedd o'n ail, so mae rai bod pobl yn, you know, neu oedd nhw'n licio y ddau yn efo'i gilydd. Gawn ni weld beth mae o'n meddwl o'r Cymru, yeah?
Just like it's damp and cold and...
Sunny realm, mate.
Some people. Land, Gareth Bale, you're good at rugby, and don't you make shepherd's pie or something? Damp and cold, for me, resembles miserable. Is there sand on the beaches in Wales? When you think of Wales,
That's too
and
far.
it being a country, I think, yes, they are their own country, but I do think of it as all part of England.
We're not going to get on, are we?
I know one Welsh word, and it's Deal.
Okay, but I need to weithio.
Ie, mae hwnna angen work.
Yeah.
My only connection to Wales would be growing up. I used to support Tottenham and Gareth Bale used to play for them. And I listened to Tom Jones here and there.
It's gonna ddim profiad, really, o Gymru, na?
I've stepped over the line a couple times on my way to visit Gem, but other than that, no, I've not. It's just never really appealed to me, if I'm honest. If I was to take anything away from going to Wales, it would be to want to go back.
He will be.
Okay, yeah.
I'd like it to be an experience that I want to experience again.
Dwi'n meddwl allan ni gyflawni hynna.
That's what.
100%.
Definite. Okay, so, beth ti'n meddwl? Da ni'n gorfod treulio deuddydd efo'r boi ma. Da ni'n mynd i...
Da ni'n gorfod startio fo allan.
Be mae Rob a Ryan di wneud ar gyfer Wrexham, dyna... Mae hwnna'n jyst yn rhoi ni ar y map yn dydi, cael pobl sydd o tu allan i Gymru yn gweld be da ni am.
Maen nhw wedi dysgu am y Cymru, maen nhw wedi bod yn rhan o'r broses mawr yma. Dwi'n meddwl, mae hwnna'n anhygoel, nid unig i Wrexham, ond i'r Cymru cyfan. A dwi'n meddwl, os da ni'n gallu neud hynna i Luca, dwi'n meddwl, cael yr angerdd maen nhw wedi teimlo o joinio Cymru, geith o hynna hefyd, dwi'n meddwl, fe ni wedi neud good job.
Dwi wedi trefnu cwrdd ar heartthrob reality TV ei hun yn un o'r 527 o gestiig sy'n na yng Nghymru.
Hello.
Croeso, shwmai? Welcome to Wales.
Hello,
Welcome
nice
to my crib.
Yeah, not bad, is it? Not bad.
Good, this is Greek Castle.
Greek.
Greek. They filmed I'm a Celeb a couple of years ago.
Swnio eitha boi iawn, i ddweud gwir. Mae'n nghariad ei watcha, wel, oedd ei watchad Love Island, ond i ddim.
Ti'n caru Luca?
I've been in Wales. I'm in some big castle. They filmed I'm a Celeb here, quite relevant at the minute. So yeah, let's see what happens.
Have you been here before?
No, I haven't, funny enough.
In Wales at
I've
all?
always wanted to come here, always.
Really?
Yeah.
You've never been to Wales ever?
A couple times.
Oh my gosh, okay, so hopefully we'll have a good time.
Hit the border a few times.
Yeah.
Dwi'n gwybod am ffaith bod o wedi bod I Gymru I weld I gyn gariad Gemma Owen, sydd yn byw yn yr Wyddgrug, wyddwch chi. Ond na I ddim sôn am hynna.
You said it when you think it's damp, it's cold, there's nothing to do here.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not too bad now. It was a bit damp earlier.
I mean, it still is a bit damp.
Yeah.
And cold.
But isn't it damp
I've got
in
two
Brighton?
jackets on.
You're a football fan as well.
Big one, yeah.
And you're actually here at a really exciting time for Wales because we're in the World Cup.
Is it your first one ever?
No, we were in the 50s. Were we in the World Cup in the 50s? I don't know my facts.
Hanging on
but
to it. Like that.
And Wrexham are doing really well at the minute as well. So you're just here at a
Wales
really
is
exciting
the
time.
place to be then.
Tra dyn ni yma ar set I'm a Celeb, allwn ni ddim peidio rhoi tasg seinllid I Luca. Rhywbeth bach cyfarwydd iddo fo gael teimlo'n gartrefol yng Nghymru annwyl. Ac esgus iddo fo gael I wers Cymraeg gynta.
So Luca, we need to prepare lunch for the crew.
Okay.
And you're a fishmonger.
Was.
We're gonna gut a fish.
A dyma'r fish flops, fashion faux pas mwyaf yn hanes Love Island. Dwi'n methu credu nath o actually wisgo rhain a llwyddo I bagio rhywun.
What fish is it?
Mackerel.
A mackerel.
Oh
Ooh.
God, there's juices coming out of it.
I haven't done this for a while, you know.
Do you know what this is in Welsh?
A fish.
Pysgodyn.
Esgodyn.
And this type of fish
Boy,
is
I ain't missed that smell.
mackerel.
Mackerel.
Gotta get that though.
Let's just call it a mackerel, yeah?
You're in Wales, mate. You gotta speak
There's
Welsh.
your one.
Thanks. Okay.
And then just slide along.
I thought it'd be stinkier, actually.
And then you see like there's two fins, get in between them.
Mae yna rhywbeth fishy yn mynd mlaen fan hyn. Neu? Fishy? Dych chi'n gweld fishy? Ie, dwi'n meddwl bod o'n impressed iawn efo fi.
Go on.
Oh.
That's it. Get your fingers in between them gills.
Yeah.
And press hard.
Yeah.
Then pull.
Oh, mate.
That's it. Pull.
Fair play.
I'm not all talk, am I?
No, I honestly thought you were all talk, mate.
So that's that done.
Well, da iawn, Luca. I'm
Not
really
fresh.
impressed. Thank you for teaching me.
No problem.
Wel, mae'r boi ma di profi fod o'n gyfarwydd iawn y delio fo pysgod. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iddo fo.
Everyone ready for your lunch?
I think they'll pass on your one.
Yn amlwg, di Luca ddim yn meddwl llawer o fy sgiliau trin pysgod, ond dwi'n gobeithio bydd o'n licio'r profiad nesa. Dyma'r dydd oedd Cymru yn chwarae yn rownd gyntaf Cwpan y Byd yn erbyn Iran. Dyn ni di ddod i wylio'r gêm yn tŷ pawb yn Wrecsam. Lle perffaith i Luca gael ei brofiad cyntaf o'r wal goch a'i hangerdd nhw tuag at Gymru. Ond diolch mod lle dwi'n mynd â fo, mae yna fans ym mhobman. Maen nhw fel pla.
Celebs. Fi'n cael un trwy'r amser, mae jyst... Ti'n methu wneud y swydd a pobl sy'n eisiau llun efo ti a...
Dwi jyst mor gyffroes i weld fy gwlad. Mae pawb yn gwybod yn gwlad a dwi'n meddwl bod jyst mor anhygoel i o'r lafau i gael, ti'n gwybod, mae pawb yn gwybod ni rhywun, achos y peldroed a, rynnu yn y Cwpan y Byd. Just wych iawn.
You're Welsh today, mate. You're wearing this bucket hat. And say, Cymru am byth.
What?
Cymru
Cymru
am byth.
Cymru am byth.
Perfect.
You actually want me to put out?
Absolutely, without a doubt.
Well, I'm English.
Yeah, but you're Welsh today.
And the World Cup's on. England are playing today as well, you know?
They?
Yeah.
Don't care. Yes!
O, di o ddim yn y mood na.
Cymru!
Take it off now.
Wel, fyswn ni'r un peth ar ôl break-up a bod yn deg.
Do you reckon any of your players even know the anthem?
Hell yeah!
Or do you reckon it's a bit of mine?
They go for it.
We'll see.
So, glad, pleidiol,
Glad, Palladial.
wyf i'n glad.
Wyf i glad.
And then you can skip the next bit. And then at the end you go, O bydded
O bafed
i'r heniaeth,
i'n heliau.
barhau. Put a little ad-lib in there.
Reit, dwi'n benderfynol bod yn dysgu rhywfaint o'n hanthem ni cyn diwedd y deuddyd nesa. Dyna fysa Owain Glyndŵr isio. A Betty George.
Okay, glad now, okay? It's gonna get huge. Yes! Pleidiol wyf i'n glad, tramor a fi, i'r byd o fain, i'r heniaeth,
Come on, Wales! Come on, Gareth Bale!
Yn amlwg, mae Luca yn fan mawr o Gareth Bale. Wel, pwy sydd ddim.
I think we've got a good chance.
We?
Wait, you're Welsh today. You're Welsh for the next 2 days.
Yeah, I'd hope you'd beat Iran.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll support Wales over Iran, yeah. I'm going 3-1.
Really?
Yeah, Gareth Bale will get a couple.
Ww, disgwyliadau uchel gan Luca, ac mae'r frwydr wedi cychwyn.
Mae hwn off to?
Mae'n amazing, mae Luca yma heddiw, so mae hwnna dweud o gyd yn really, dydy? Dwi'n bod yn gwylio Love Island, a mae hwn, obviously, enwog oddi ar hwnny, so yeah, dwi'n gwylio hwnny. Ti'n bach yn random. Dwi'n dod i gwylio'r gêm, wedyn mae o yna. Mae'n neis gweld rhywun fel hwnna yma.
Bo iawn. Dwi'n falch bod wedi dod yma i cael... gweld hyn i gyd.
Ond dwi'n gweld yn rhyfedd bod rhywun mor enwog yn Wrecsam mewn tafarn Cymraeg. So dwi'n licio gwybod be mae o feddwl o cefnogaeth Cymraeg a gweld gymaint o Gymraeg yn cael ei siarad o'n un lle.
Mae Luca yn mwynhau, dwi'n meddwl. Mae'n dod i nabod y bobl lleol, mae wedi gwneud ffrindiau newydd, mae ganddo fo ddiddordeb mawr yn y gêm. Mae'n gwisgo bucket hat, mae'n deud geiriau Cymraeg. Dechrau da. Fi'n joio, anyway. A dyna beth sy'n bwysig ynde. Iawn, boys. Sut ydych chi'n teimlo?
Nervous.
Hanner amser?
Na, mae'n iawn. Dwi'n siŵr iawn sydd ddim eto.
Yeah?
Rhaid i chwarae well, ail hanner. Rhaid i chwarae well.
Okay. We need to show Luca that we can come back stronger for the second half,
We're
don't we?
better than this.
Yeah, you know.
It wasn't a great half, was it?
Wales does put us on the map because, I don't know, if you leave Wales and you say, I'm from Wales, most people don't know where that is, which is sad. But then if you say Gareth Bale, it's like, he's just put us on the map because they know who we are, so...
Mae'r ail hanner ar fi'n cychwyn a mae wedi bod yn gêm siomedig iawn hyd yn hyn. All y boys dod nôl yn gryfach? A wneith Bale sgorio gôl? Ydw i am dynnu'r bucket hat? Pff, no way, boy.
You know what, like, I said Wales, I can imagine it being quite boring and stuff. Your team's playing boring. There's no excitement, there's just nothing at the minute. I hope they play like this against England.
They're making us look bad.
Oh, red card, I reckon.
That's really disappointing.
Yeah, not great.
Yeah.
I feel a bit upset, you know?
Do you?
Yeah, like, not people here and then just to lose it like that.
Is it over for us now?
Never say it's over until it's over.
Now then. I like that positivity. That's good. That's good. Oh, druan a ni. Druan a Chymru. Be am i ni newid y pwnc, ie? Dwi ddim yn siŵr os ydy o'n joio hyd yma, neu os ydy o dal jyst yn gytur am y break-up bechod. Symud ymlaen at y profiad nesa. Dwi wedi trefnu bod Luca yn cael kick-about efo tîm merched Wrexham, iddo fo gael dangos ei ddoniau a dod i nabod Lily, ein seren wyb, ein pièce de résistance, ein local legend.
Luca, this is Lily, our local legend, and she is the youngest member of Wrexham AFC Women's. So she's a big deal.
Big deal.
Because she knows everything about Wrexham, and she knows everything about football, and...
The Gareth Bale of Wrexham.
Exactly that, yeah. She's a bit sad after the game today, aren't you?
Absolutely heartbroken, really.
Oh, yeah.
But, yeah, great.
Supporting England now.
Absolutely not.
Jumping ship.
Absolutely not.
You ready for a kickabout and then you warm up then?
Let's do it.
Yeah, all right, let's go.
Let's go.
Not me.
There we go, yeah.
Am I in with you?
Yeah, take it.
Mae Lily yn chwarae i'r tîm Dan 19 ac i'r tîm cyntaf, felly mae hi'n brysurach na Beyoncé. Ac oeddech chi'n gwybod bod cwmni diodydd Blake Lively, sef gwraig Ryan Reynolds, yn noddi'r tîm? Oh, mae Hollywood rown bob cornel, boys.
Fair play. Mae Lily di deud, come on, let's go. A gobeithio geitho lot o hwyl, cos oedd y pêl-droed yn really siomedig bore yma, so mae eisiau rhywbeth i godi ysbryd, you know? Ond mae hwn yn rhoi PTSD i fi o wneud hoci yn yr ysgol a gofio gwisgo shorts yn y tywydd horrible yma. So fi'n really falch bod fi'n gwisgo gynnes.
Mae'n edrych fel bod o'n mwynhau hun. Ydy hwn yn helpu iddo fo gael ei feddwl ffwr o'r torcalon?
Mae'n dechrau dod mewn iddo fo bach, dwi'n meddwl.
Ie. Dyma le ar y tîm?
Ddim cweit eto, dwi'n meddwl. Na, pryd mae'n dall bod Cymru'n glad ar ben ei hun a adlodd o mewn.
Love it. Good. Love it. Right, Cedi, go on.
O, diolch.
And again, in here, in here.
Yeah.
You are loving life out there.
Just good to be back out.
Yeah. What do you think of the girls?
Yeah, they're decent.
Yeah?
Decent, yeah.
I
Put
was
me in
just-
my place.
And they've all, like 24 girls coming out here on a Friday night.
I know.
That
I know.
is like community Welsh spirit right
Exactly.
there. Are you ready to do something a bit extra, like a little challenge?
Let's do it.
Yeah?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go. He's ready.
I'm tired. but Let's do it.
Good, that's good for us. Be mae'n golygu chi allu dod yma i chwarae pêl-droed bob wythnos?
Mae Wrexham yn feddwl gymaint iddo fi. Dwi'n meddwl chwarae ers bron iawn i 7 flwyddyn rwan.
Really?
Ac mae'n gallu dod a bod mewn cymuned o merched sy'n mwynhau chwarae pêl-droed yn anhygoel. A peth gorau'r wsos ydi dod i fama efo hei.
Mae tîm yn hwyl iawn, maen nhw'n ffrindiau. Mae'n teulu, basically.
Da ni'n mynd trwy'r pethau drwg da efo'n gilydd. So, bob colled a bob ennill, da ni'n go hyd yna efo'n gilydd.
Efo Rob a Ryan hefyd, maen nhw wedi just chwistrellu loads o just buzz a excitement mewn i'r ddinas yn dydyn. Be mae hwnna wedi gwneud i chi fel tîm merched hefyd?
Da ni mond yn lle bach yn Gogledd Cymru ac i gael bobl mor enwog i wybod pwy ydyn ni ac i wybod beth da ni'n neud yn dda, mae'n anhygoel.
Best of 3, but if you miss a goal, you have to do a forfeit.
Okay.
And if you miss the overall 3 thing, you have to do an ultimate forfeit. You ready?
It's on.
Let's go.
Okay. I have faith in you. Come on, come
Ladies first.
on, Lily!
No pressure.
Yay!
That is decent too far. Oh, pen. Oh, pen.
No pressure.
I'm scared.
No pressure. Oh!
Maddie, the forfeit D ydi, rhaid ti redeg o fanna I fanna yn deud, come on England, God save the king.
Dwi'n gwybod beth sy'n waith. Cymru'n colli heddiw neu gorau neu hynna.
Rwan,
Yeah.
can I whisper it?
No, go on. Nice and loud.
Come on, England!
What was that?
Come on, England!
That's
God
it.
save the king! Come on, England! God save the king!
Oh, man.
Come on, England! God save the king! No!
Os ydi Luke yn sgorio, mae'n meddwl fydd Lloegr wedi ennill a Lloegr fydd y gorau, okay? So,
And I'm cysgu am osos.
yeah, na fi chwaith. So,
Da ni,
just
ie.
yn paratoi chi ar gyfer y reality yna.
Yeah.
Oh, no!
Dave, you've been done.
Yeah, good game.
Well,
good
We've
game.
got to let him win some, haven't we?
And
You
then-
lot don't usually get to the knockout stages for the penalties.
Oh,
So
you're breaking my eye.
that's probably why. It's just experience, isn't it?
It's been a very disappointing day for Wales, ond girls, mae'n rhaid chi wneud yr ultimate forfeit nawr.
Tasty pass.
1, 2, 3. Oh, God. Oh. Cymru am byth! Up the town!
Up the town, up the street. O, fi'n meddwl sa'n ni'n get on yn de, ond dwi'n weld, dwi wedi gwneud ffrind rhywsut. Oedd yn really neis y ffordd oedd o'n chwarae efo pawb a gwneud jokes a falle oedd o'n good laugh.
Noswaith dda, diwrnod 1 wedi wneud. A mae wedi bod yn diwrnod really dda, actually. Castell Grych, oedd hwnna'n eitha impressive. Cymru yn chwarae yn erbyn y ran. Not so impressive. Ond oedd heno hefo'r merched yn brilliant. Da ni dal yn Wrexham a mae Lily a fi yn cwrdd â Luca yn y dafarn Cymraeg, Saith Seren. Diwrnod arall i ni chwalu ei ragfarnau, ond yn gynta, da ni eisiau rhoi surprise bach iddo fo, cos da ni'n cute fel na.
Diolch gyda fi. Hey,
Hey.
how are you all feeling?
Very well.
Good. Did you enjoy last night?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Feeling it this morning.
Are you,
Yeah.
are you a bit sore?
No, one of them studied me.
Who?
I don't know. My big toe's throbbing.
See, it's that rivalry, it's
Yeah.
that competition, isn't it?
It's what happens when you think Wales is in England,
Yeah.
isn't it? Nah, joking.
After one day of being here, are you feeling a bit more like you know a bit more about Wales now?
Yeah? Yeah,
Yeah?
definitely.
That's
Deal.
good. Diolch, yeah, that's
Smashed it.
Shemai.
nice.
Nice.
You know this, Rob McElhenney and Ryan Reynolds have bought Wrexham, the chairmen.
Yeah.
What has that done for the community?
Yeah, it's massive. I mean, what they've done not only for the football club, but for Wales is huge. I mean, and especially for the Welsh language as well. What they're doing for us is incredible. People around the town are just filled with
Buzzing.
hope all the time, and it's brilliant for the club.
We have got a surprise for you, Luca, because I know you enjoyed the session last night with the girls, and I think you've got like a bit of passion for Wrexham now because you spent some time here. So
We're gonna go watch the footy today, the FA Cup game.
You got in my head last night, oh, they're playing tomorrow. I thought, well, I want to go watch it then.
Yeah.
So
I'm excited.
You're gonna support Wrexham?
Yeah.
Say Wrexham and Byth.
Wrexham and Byth.
Yes,
Ooh,
which
nice.
is Wrexham forever.
Pob man da ni'n mynd yn Wrexham, mae pobl isio selfie efo Luca. Just fel Bryn Fawn ar faes y Steddfod, mae pawb isio darno honno fo.
Luca, what do you think about Wrexham right now?
Yeah, really good, other than the phone signal. It's been great. No, I've enjoyed it. I think it's like you get like a really nice family feel here.
Yeah.
Like everyone knows each other. You're all, I don't know, everyone just seems really nice. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
We're going to see Wrexham play now.
The Wrexham.
Do you think we can do it?
I'd hope so. They're league below and bottom of the league.
Up the town!
Fe ddoth Luca i Gymru yn meddwl I bod hi'n lle tamp a diflas. Ond dwi wir yn meddwl I fod o'n medru teimlo y cyffro sy'n ein gwlad bach anhygoel ni ar hyn o bryd. Reit, I fewn â ni'r stadiwm, sef calon y ddinas erbyn hyn.
Guys, ni yma, we made it! Excited?
We've made it.
Yeah. Could be a bit more excited, you know?
I know, I'm gutted Ryan's not here though.
I know, but he can't be everywhere at once. He's got to be Deadpool and stuff like that. Yeah.
There we go.
But we're here.
Exactly.
So, you know. Come on, Wrexham!
It's nearly time, isn't it?
Yes.
Dwi'n croesi popeth am chydig bach o lwc I orffen cyfnod Luca yng Nghymru a bod Wrexham yn curo Farnborough. Neu bydd o just yn embarrassing.
Take, where do you usually sit?
Right behind the goal, by the drum.
They seem like they're having a good time over there.
Oedd gennau bach o FOMO yn gwylio'r fans yma'n joio'u hunain.
When are you at your most... Do you ever get, like, passionate about... Ignored.
Mae'n dod drosodd yn fwy cool iawn, dydi? Hyd yn oed wrth wylio gêm pêl-droed fel hyn. Yn wahanol iawn I fi.
Oh. Come on, Ed! Come on! Nawr, oedd hwnna'n ddrwg.
Ryan pushing on his story long.
Tîm y merched ar stori Ryan Reynolds. Oh, God.
Falle bod gynnu fi ddim clem beth sy'n digwydd yn y gêm, ond o leia dwi'n ymuno yn y chance.
Wrexham! Just un gol. Just un. Just I fi allu sgrichian. Luca, it's the end of the 2 days. You spent 2 days in Wales. How has your experience been?
Yeah, it's not what I thought.
What did you think?
Really good.
Before?
Do you know what made it? The people. Not these.
Ooh, lledwyth.
They're the away fans.
Yeah, they got a long travel when they lose. So.
Yeah, exactly.
Love you anymore. She don't love you. She don't love you. She don't love you anymore. That your neighbour.
Pwy? Fi? Yn dyfryddwydion, boi. Mae Wrexham wedi sgorio! Drwchwch faint mae wedi cyffroi! O'r diwedd, mae yna chydig o fywyd yn y boi trist yma. Excitement.
Is it because the football that brings people together, or is it just...
No, not even the football. When we were just round town and stuff like that, everyone was really welcoming and friendly, you know. And I imagine they're like that with everyone else.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was quite nice to experience that.
Whoa, fuck! No!
That's shocking keeping though, isn't it?
If you could take a snapshot of your favourite bit of being here.
I think it would be like us on the pitch, Castle in the background, and then a few of your Welsh boys crying at full time the other night.
Yeah, OK, I'll give you that one. Oh, God!
Gol arall! A gwen arall gan Luca! A dawns arall, ofs.
What was your favourite experience that you did like...
Probably being here.
Trydydd gol! Oh, dwi'n mynd I gael hartan.
I know Ryan Reynolds and stuff like that. You wouldn't think you'd get this turnout to a club, even at this level. But
Yeah.
obviously, it's great what they've done.
Yeah, absolutely.
A dych chi'n gwybod be? Dwi'n meddwl fod pêl-droed wedi tynnu'r ddau yma at ei gilydd.
You do a lot of social media for Tottenham now, so you're big on sort of promoting everything.
Yeah.
What can Wales do to further our, you know, promote our country and make it...
Get Wrexham in the leagues. Get Wrexham in the leagues and you'll be there.
I think Ryan and Rob are on the way.
Yeah, they're trying, I think.
Yeah.
They're trying.
But that's what we need. We need people like Ryan and Rob and, you know, people who believe in us and have that sort of immerse themselves in their culture and they know we've got our own thing going on.
Yeah, no, it's really nice.
Well, it's been great knowing you and thank you so much for being so open-minded and getting stuck in. And, well, see you when you come to Wales next, innit?
Exactly. I'll be back.
Cymru am byth.
Oh, go on te. Un dawns a chant arall, ie?
What a game!
What a game. Brilliant goals. Brilliant goals.
I'm saying we, I feel like I'm an honorary Wrexhamer now. Do you feel like an honorary Wrexham lad?
We'll take you on board.
Nice little hat-trick for the striker.
So good.
Number 10.
What a thrill.
Yeah, brilliant.
You happy?
Very happy.
Happy sound?
Yeah, what game's come to? 5 goals.
Brilliant. Lily, thank you for being an absolute local legend. Have you enjoyed having Luke
Absolutely
here?
loved every minute.
Amazing. And isn't she awesome?
Yeah, local legend.
Bright future ahead as well. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.
Dyna ni, mae Luca Bish di treulio 10 ddydd yng Nghymru a mae o di dysgu bod ni definitely yn wlad ein hunain, gobeithio, bod ni di symud ymlaen ers oes Harri'r Wythfed a mae cymuned, y bobl a cefnogi ein gilydd a'n timau ydi pob dim. Sim ots pa iaith ydych chi'n siarad o le ydych chi'n dod, mae pawb yn dod at ei gilydd yn gytun ac yn cefnogi hefo angerdd. A mae hwnna'n lush. A fel dedodd Deadpool ei hun, Cymru am byth, and up the town!